wa barakatuh.
Welcome to Platform 2015
in Chicago.
Allahu Akbar.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Fatia Kasumu. I'm from the Philadelphia chapter of NCNMO, and we are here at the 15th annual platform in Chicago, Illinois. I look forward to seeing everyone here. I'm grateful to Allah that we are able to do this every year, and we're in our 15th year, alhamdulillah. And I hope everyone is invited, our guest speakers enjoy themselves. Everyone comes to mingle with their friends, see people, meet new people, see new faces, enjoy our outings and activities, as well as our lectures and our parents. And we're grateful to Allah to be here in Chicago this year.
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, La ilaha illallah.
Platform is an event that comes up yearly amongst Nigerian Muslims in the United States of America. An avenue to teach and imbibe righteousness into the minds of all and sundry. All efforts are geared towards this year's program, which will inshallah start from 24th of December to 28th of December 2016 in Houston, Texas. Here are excerpts from the last year's event that took place in Chicago.
Good conduct, good behaviors, and telling us about our religion.
Whatever Allah has blessed you, spend from that. You can say when you have millions that you spend.
We have this maybe a false sense of,
وَمِمَّا أَخْرَجْنَا لَكُمْ kì í ṣe yẹn nìkan a ní kí irúgbìn máa jáde ẹ bá wà lè ṣe kò kárí kí n mú àsìkí jáde látara ọ̀gbìn.
èyí wọn níbùkún pé kò sí nǹkan pọ́nlé lára lẹ́bi jù kọ́ lọ́rùn iṣẹ́ lọ torí pé ẹni tó ràn iṣẹ́ wúwo gidi gan ló jẹ́ pé aláti bọ̀wọ́ ẹni tó ràn iṣẹ́ yẹn máa lára.
Our Imam for Isha 12 years ago, Abraham
Over the problems that's in Palestine, crying and crying, brother, it's just so bad over there. In Syria, it's just so bad. Oh, what's that? 6-pack of 6-pound liquor? Yeah, that's $2.75. This is the truth. The rest of the Muslim world are probably depending upon us to make the du'as to help them.
It's not growing old. This is your youth right here. It's like that. So when you are youth, when you're young, you're strong, you're energetic, you're able to do things. So Rasulullah is saying, take advantage of that young age. Telling us about his experience.
Happens back and forth. But the most popular
it's already a family thing. We can see grandfathers, grandmothers, children, great-grandchildren. So it's a family thing already. Maybe what we have to start looking for now is results. We don't have to use hotels anymore. We have to use results that will accommodate a huge number of people at the same time in one place. Inshallah, maybe that's what we'll be looking for now.
It's by the grace of Almighty Allah, I am going to be the chairman of the National Planning Committee, and with the help of everybody, both those that will be in the committee with me and other members of the Nigerian Muslims Association in USA, we believe and we have faith in God that next year's platform, both the planning, the execution, will be successful, inshallah.
What's your view about the one we're concluding right now in Chicago?
Well, like I said, we thank God nothing bad happened. We have a larger number of attendees than what we recorded last year. We also had successes upon successes. We have growth in everything we do.
Looking forward to seeing you in Houston, Texas, inshallah.